With they sickening raps, clapping the gas, making a whole sick.
What's good, people? Hope you guys are doing well today. I wanted to publish an updated video on Bityard. I've been trading with them for about 3 months now, and I wanted to let you guys know about the new interface that is just launched over there at Bityard. Even easier to trade with. Look, this is not your ordinary Bitcoin crypto exchange. They're not spot trading over here. They're cryptocurrency contracts. And I'm going to explain exactly what that means. I've done over 4 times my account value over at Bityard just simply trading these contracts. They have the lowest trading fees I've seen in the game, 0.05%. So that makes it even easier for you to trade over there. And this particular strategy that I'm using over there is really scalp trading. I built a short time frame algo on the 15-second candle that helps me trade this when I have time, right? So I can just pick up the phone and set the alerts to push to my phone, and I start trading on Bityard with these contracts. As I've mentioned before, they are regulated in the US. That's a plus. You can check out their license number right there on their homepage. If you scroll down to the regulations and licensing section, you'll see that information. And lastly, the mobile app platform, they're available over there at Bityard too. I'm of course on an Android, so I use that to place my trades back and forth with these contracts. But let's get into the actual platform. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to trade on over here on Bityard. Again, this is not a spot trading exchange. This exchange is for contracts. So that means the max you can win in any position is 500% of your margin that you put up. And the most you could lose is 90% of your margin. So what that means is if I am looking to go long on Bitcoin, which I am currently long on Bitcoin, you initially want to set your settings, your default settings. So when you're in your app, you don't have to fumble around trying to find out what the stop loss should be, what the take profit should be. And the max you can even make is 500% on your margin, which is more than enough. You want to make more, you put more up on the trade. But again, you set your settings, your default settings out the gate. I would do the confirm close order because it's easy for you to close out of an order if you don't have that prompt. Okay, opening an order, I'm fine with opening an order because you have to put in the amount that you want to place anyway. So it's kind of a 2-step click with that. At least with the closing of an order, you don't want to mistakenly close your order prematurely. And again, you set your default settings, how much you're willing to lose on the downside, right? There's a nice slider for that. I have mine set at 70%. So whatever I put up, I'm willing to lose 70% of that. And that determines where your stop loss is. And I'll show you that once we place an order. Hit the confirm button and now you have your one-click setup ready. Your settings are already locked and loaded. You have 8 major pairs that you can trade over at Bityard and an additional 8 pairs in the Innovate area. And you see this list here: ADA, BAT, Dash, Kyber, Chainlink, XML, XTZ, ZRX. And it's neat. You can move this around. If you want this to be over here, you can move your windows around. You want it to look like that, that's fine. However you want to set it up, you can move this around. But the new design, I have it in night mode. The new design is clean. I mean, it's just clean and straight to the point. Personally, I like the night mode. The settings are set and all you have to do is select your leverage. This determines your margin requirement here. Okay, I personally always trade at the 20x, around there, 20x, 25x, somewhere around there. But with this particular strategy that I'm testing over here, it's at the 20 mark, and that allows me to have my stop loss right where I need it to be. So click in the margin area and I'm just going to put $1,000. So I'm putting up $1,000, and recall I set the ratio to 70% on the stop loss. So that means I'm willing to lose $700 on this particular trade. That's 70% of the margin. You can play around with that. You'll see immediately how much this trade is going to cost you. It's going to be $21 essentially, and you'll get a pop-up screen to see what that all details. So I'm going to hit the buy button. So when I hit the buy button, it's going to confirm your margin. That's how much you're willing to allocate. Okay, the fee, 21 bucks. That's it. It's a flat fee, round trip. There's no, when I say round trip, that means into the position and out is going to cost you 21 bucks. That's it. You know how much you're being charged right out the gate. It deducts from your balance and you get to see exactly how much that is immediately. That's a beautiful thing. And then you're done. Now you can go in here and click the settings and tweak the profit. Profit wise, you can only do max 500% of the margin, which would be $5,000. And it updates as you adjust these amounts. And to the downside, you can, in dollar amounts, say, I only want to risk $400 on this trade. It's going to push your stop loss up so that it will now only risk $400. You can also adjust by price. So if you know exactly what the price level is on your stop loss that you need to maintain, you can just type that in there. And then that's it. There's nothing else to it. Literally, that is it. 2 clicks in your trading, and can possibly be 1 click in trading if you have your settings for open order confirm unchecked. It will just literally enter you into the trade. So just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the new layout. I love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Click the link in the description below to sign up and get bonuses by using my link. Also, in the promotion section, which is great, you can earn right out the gate. If you set your username, you get $1. You bind your mobile phone in email, you get $1. You conduct a demo trade, you get $1. You conduct a live trade once. I haven't even collected this $2, so let me click that. Boom. I also got the 10,000 in trading volume. I've conducted that on a live account, and $50,000. So I've just literally in front of you guys collected $28 right in the trading bonus area. So after you sign up and start trading and everything, go ahead and hit that promotion tab to secure those bonuses as well. But again, very easy. I'll look into this daily mining section. I have no clue what this section is about, but I know they did launch it a few months ago. So I'll do another video on that in the future here. Stay tuned, but definitely check out Bityard.com and start cryptocurrency contract trading. I'm out of here, people. How?
Where we live is called the projects.